Welcome back to our 5th episode. In today's video, we will be picking up where we left off with the exhaust on our Mercury pickup and change over the electronic shift on its transfer case. In the last video and off camera, we have finished the H-pipe, muffler, and tailpipes. We have had to remove the original Flowmaster hangers and change the hanger location. And by the end of this video, you're going to see us finish the exhaust between the headers and the H-pipe. Well, we had great plans of coming in the shop early this morning, getting on this exhaust, finishing it up, but we noticed we were out of argon for the TIG welder. So that changes our plans, but while we wait for this afternoon to come around and get some argon, we're going to get started on converting this transfer case from an electronic shift to a manual shift. So we picked up this kit from the old Amazon. It looked pretty easy to do from what I saw. Not a lot of parts here, but let's see. So the whole reason we're changing this over here to a manual shift is we're getting away from the electronics, trying to work the shifter or the electronic shift switch into the old truck. And the PCM is just going to go to more of a standalone unit to run the transmission and the engine. It's on there. There we go. There's the click. I don't think this thing's ever been off. Ooh.
Dad, it won't come out.
Just keep going, you got it.
The socket come out.
Okay, do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
I thought you loved taking bolts out.
Well,
You want to do the top one? I'll do the bottom and you do the top one?
yeah.
Just like that. I'm gonna undo this connector. Like that. Now we'll put this plate and these bolts in with a little bit of blue Loctite. Click. 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 Torqued. Get some grease in there to keep the corrosion off that shaft. Keep any water from that gets in there from settling, hopefully. I'm not going to Loctite these little bolts going on here because I see myself having to go back in here once I get the linkage set up. So hopefully future self will remember that these are not Loctited in. That's pretty easy. For this section of exhaust that we're making up, you're going to see me using a band clamp to hold the sections of tube together for testing and fitting. Now guys, these aren't just your ordinary band clamps. We have precisionally drilled, with a hole saw of course, in 3 locations around the clamp. So once everything is fitting just right, we can weld the tube together through the holes and then remove the clamp. Using these clamps are a great way to do this, and we've even done this to a couple T-bolt clamps for your tight spaces and where a regular band clamp does not fit.
You're at your line right now?
I gotta slip this one.
Okay. Okay, hold it. I'm gonna bring it back out a bit. Okay, the line is just showing there.
It's not as parallel as I thought it was going to be, like it's come down, but it's just the way it's going to be.
Yeah.
It's up front here.
Okay. What are you thinking?
Let's get this in here. Just like that.
Both sides are in?
Yeah, where are we on the mark on that one?
Please up just a second. Okay, the mark is just showing.
Okay, maybe come out just a little bit. Okay.
Okay, I'm about 1/8 of an inch out.
Okay, where are we on this other one?
Okay, you're about 1/16 of an inch out. I'll have to hold it while you tack it.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we want to do this one first or.
Maybe I should come over there and do that V-band so it holds it there.
Yeah. Oh, which one? That one over there? Yeah.
You'll see us using these flex pipes to allow for flex between the headers and the rest of the exhaust, as well as these wonderful V-band clamps from Evil Energy. These V-band clamps are great. It will allow us to remove sections of pipe for service down the road without having to deal with muffler clamps and tubes that slip together and get stuck.
50%. Would you like about 50? Final welding. The fabrication is done.
We couldn't be happier the way these bends all fit together, and we will weld these up off camera so you don't get bored staring at a bright blue light. Thanks for watching, and if you guys like what we're trying to create, recommend this to your friends, like, comment, subscribe, and keep on watching. We'll catch you on the next one.